Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss mathematics paper 1, a question on indices. Number 12. Without using mathematical tables or calculator, solve for x in the equation 4 raised to power 3x plus 1 equals to 2 raised to power x minus 1 multiplied by 1 out of 8 raised to 1 minus x for 3 marks. So the first thing we do when we get such a question is to express all the composite numbers into the least possible base according to the question here. And we can see the least base is 2. So we can express 4 and 1 out of 8 to bases of 2. So 4 becomes a 2 power 2, which means when we write 2 power 2, we should remember that there is an existing power already of 3x plus 1. Then this is equal to 2 power x minus 1 multiplied by 1 out of 8 can be written as a half power 3. Then there is a power of 1 minus x. We can now apply the product law of indices, whereby we open the brackets here by multiplying by 2. So this becomes a 2 raised to power 6x plus 2. This is equal to 2 power x minus 1, then multiplied by half raised to power 3 minus 3x. At this point, now we can employ the law of indices, which is called the fractional law. Okay, the negative law of indices, which says that when you have a certain integer raised to a power m, which is negative, we can solve this one by taking the reciprocal of the integer, then now the power becomes positive. So applying the same at this point, now we shall have, let me write the whole expression. We shall have 6x plus 2 equals to 2 x minus 1 multiplied by, this becomes 2, the reciprocal of what we have. And now we have the power being multiplied by negative 1 because it has to change its sign. So it will be negative 3, positive 3x. Exactly at that. Now that we have all the bases being the same, we can apply on this side the addition law of indices, whereby if I'm to write the expression again now, I shall have 2 raised to 6x plus 2. This is equal to 2 raised to x minus 1. And instead of now multiplying by 2 again, raised to a different power, we just add the indices. So this plus negative 3, 3x. So that is the addition law of indices, whereby if the bases are the same, you just add the powers. And because we have now base 2 on both sides of the equation, we can now equate the powers and say 6x plus 2 equals to x minus 1 plus negative 3, then plus 3x. We can group like terms together now. This is x plus 3x, that is 4x. We take it to this side and it will be 6 minus 4, giving us a 2x. Equivalent to, we have a 2, which becomes negative to this side. So negative 1, negative 3, and now minus 3, minus 2, that is. So it will become negative 6. And the value of x, when we divide through by 2, will automatically become negative 3. So that is how we solve such an index equation. Thank you so much for following. Subscribe and share, and remember that the number up here This is the number that you can use to request for revision materials, and you can also use the same number to organize for individualized tuition. Thank you so much.